How to change your birthday on TikTok. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change your birthday on TikTok. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Well, in order to change your birthday on TikTok, all you have to do is just go ahead and then launch the TikTok application first. Once you launch the TikTok app, you're gonna come to this page where you have to tap the little profile icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the bottom right, tap the three lines icon from the top right, then just go to settings and privacy. Then you want to go to the option called account at the very top. Once you tap on account, go to the option called account information. Right over here, you'll be able to see your date of birth. So if you want to change your birthday, it means that you have to change the date of birth. So select your date of birth option here and then simply enter the date of birth that you would like to change to. Confirm it by tapping the red confirm button after you've chosen your birthday, and your age will be successfully changed. That's it on how you can change your birthday or your age on TikTok. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.